हाय फ्रेंड्स। उफ़ ये दिल चैनल पे आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो मेरे दिल के बहुत ही करीब है। पिछले 4 सालों में मुझे बहुत 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 सा प्यार मिला है मेरे डॉग्स से। और मैं ये आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि मेरे डॉग्स जो हैं कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्रीड वाले हाई क्लास, सो कॉल्ड हाई क्लास, जैसे बाकी लोग कहते हैं अपने डॉग्स के बारे में कि हमारा डॉग तो हाई क्लास है, आपके तो सड़क के कुत्ते हैं। मैंने शुरुआत की थी एक स्ट्रे डॉग को अडॉप्ट करने से, और उसके बाद एक मेरा बेटा ले आया सड़क से। हमने उनको फॉर्मली जो है वो अडॉप्ट किया, उनका लाइसेंस बनवाया। और उसके बाद दिस ईयर बिगिनिंग I found a dog I found a puppy in very bad condition, malnourished, um, almost a skeleton. So I picked him up and I brought him home, and I never let him go. So he is there also. This is my permanent family, my 3 fur babies, my son, my husband and me. But these dogs in last almost 4 years, they have taught me what is true love. You know, dogs are one creature who love you unconditionally. And here I am going to talk about it because I want to convey the message that it's fine if you want to keep a particular breed, but also pay attention to the stray dogs. I have 3 regular visitors. Actually 4, but fourth one is a little meek and the 3 dominate. So he sometimes is not able to come inside the home. But apart from my 3 fur babies, I have 3 more fur babies who keep visiting us. From morning breakfast to lunch to dinner. Sometimes they sleep over also in my home. Many people have stopped coming to my home because I have dogs, but I don't mind that. It's absolutely fine. I provide them the option that I'll come and visit you whenever you want, but if the condition is that you can't visit just because of dogs, so then sorry, I can't abandon or remove my family members just for the convenience of other. They are no less to me than my own children. So what I want to talk about is like adoption of a baby. That's one cause which is very very dear to me, and I always feel that every couple must have one baby of their own and one adopted. And if possible, if you want one only, why don't you go for adopted? Similarly, here I think that if you want to keep a dog, and if you can manage more than one, please adopt one stray dog and have one of your choice. And trust me, the stray Indian dogs are very very loving, very caring, sometimes possessive about you. Yes, my dogs fight amongst each other just to be near me, and they get jealous. But then that's very much a human emotion, don't you think? Don't you feel jealous when your best friend, favorite person pays attention to somebody else? So actually, I wanted to record this yesterday, but because while I had gone out for my medical visit, and when I was returning, I observed that there was not a single puppy on the route I covered. That is, of course, because of the sterilization program that municipal corporation is doing, because there have been cases where dogs bite. But that doesn't mean that you start hating the dogs and start condemning the dogs. I have seen in my own area so many puppies used to be born, and the people who did not like them, they would drown them in the nearby pond, or they would poison them, they would kill them by running their vehicle over them. I just feel to imagine that how can one be so heartless and cruel? How can one be? And I used to feed lot of dogs on my way out and while coming back, and yesterday my heart sank when I realized that there was not a single puppy on the road, because the dogs have been sterilized. So of course the bitches won't be having any more babies, and so the dogs who are there on the road, um, their generation would end when they die, and maybe in few years from now there won't be a stray dog on the road. Fine, if people want that, but at least care for them while they are there on the road. Take care of them. If you can't bring them inside house, find a place where you can regularly feed them. You can just have a nice warm chat with them. Trust me, they understand a lot. Sometimes when I'm upset and I'm crying, one of my dog has even tried to wipe my tears. And it's not the training that I gave, it is their basic emotion. So please care for the stray dogs. If possible, adopt them. Otherwise, please take care. For last 4 to 5 years, ever since I have kept the dog, I have been having hell of a problem from my neighbor who lives on the upper story, and he has been warning me of dire consequences. I have twice called police for my protection, but that does not stop me from caring for the strays. I keep calling them because it's my house, it's my wish. How can somebody else dictate? uh, Yesterday, of course, I got overwhelmed and I cried a lot when I came back. That's a few years from now, when my fur visitors would not be there to visit me, how lonely it would be for me. I have nothing against the breed dogs, but I love my Indian dogs a lot more. And there are people, in between, I was living in another locality 3 years back. And there was a lady who used to complain when my son used to take my first dog out for a walk. So she would come and she would, one day my son came crying and said, "Auntie is telling that if I take Tipsy out, she would kill Tipsy." And when I went to meet her, "Yes, how can you keep a stray dog? These dogs are not for home. How can you make them walk on the road? That is, my dog is worth 5 lakhs insurance." I said, "Fine, that's your wish. That does not make my Indian dog any lesser." So, try to explore the love of stray dogs. They just need some care, some love, and some daily food if you can, or if you can give them shelter in extreme winter, in rainy season, please. Maybe in the porch, maybe in the outside veranda, somewhere where they can be safe. So it is something like I've recorded today and not yesterday, because if I would have recorded yesterday, I would have started crying. And even now I feel like, because it is something very close to my heart. So please take care of the stray dogs.